Hey guys, so I'm going to do a quick video on the grout and tile cleaner right here. I haven't really been able to find anything that takes this grout from being dirty like this to a nice clean look. So we've had this countertop in this house for now 4 years now that we moved into it, and we clean, and we just can't get this grout clean. So I'm going to show you what I do and how I get it to work. So pretty much what I'm going to do is just spray into all the cracks and crevices. And I've pretty much bought like everything on the shelf that you can buy just because I just want clean grout. I mean, I know it's gonna get dirty because it's white or even like a cream color, but still at this point it's like enough's enough. I just want to have a clean look to it. So next, with this stuff, you do want to wear a glove, but then you're just gonna scrub. And you can already start to see the difference. I'm going to do this one right here. It's pretty gnarly. It's definitely a lot better. So I'm going to finish scrubbing this, and then I'll show you guys the after. Alright guys, so next I'm going to do is basically wipe this stuff off. It's definitely not going to be perfectly white because, like I said, these are older tile counter, not what I would pick, but you kind of work with what you got. There's a couple of spots what I'm going to do is once I get all this stuff up, I'm going to apply a second coat to it, let it sit for a while, and then scrub it down again. But so far, I mean, I'm pretty happy because if you looked at this stuff right here, it actually looked like this before. So the fact that it's now a lot cleaner, and now I can get in there with like a toothbrush and get all the nitty-gritty stuff out, then definitely makes it look a lot cleaner. So like I said, this is the one cleaner that I've found that definitely helps. So I'll put a link down below so you guys can check it out. Thanks for watching.